Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep.
Have you ever wondered about the origins or significance of the Christmas carol, The First Noel? This melody hails from the heart of England, a traditional carol that weaves a tale of the birth of Jesus. As witnessed by the humble shepherds and wise men, this isn't just a song, it's a narrative, a journey that takes us from the angel's announcement to the shepherds' fields, and finally to the manger of the newborn king. So, The First Noel is more than just a carol. It's a story of discovery and revelation. But what about the lyrics of The First Noel? What do they signify? The words of this timeless carol paint a vivid picture of the birth of Jesus Christ. The lyrics, "The first Noel the angels did say was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep," serve as a narrative that takes us back to the very moment of the first Christmas. It's not just a song, but a tale of discovery and revelation. The shepherds, humble and poor, were the first to receive the good news, emphasizing the inclusivity of Christ's message. The cold winter's night represents the darkness of the world before the arrival of Christ, the light of the world. The journey of the Magi further signifies the universal acceptance of this divine event. In essence, the first Noel represents a universal message of hope and joy. So what have we learned about the first Noel? Originating from England, this carol tells the story of Jesus' birth from the perspective of the shepherds and the Magi. Its lyrics, rich in imagery, depict the first announcement of Christ's birth and the journey of the wise men to honor the newborn king. But above all, the first Noel carries a universal message of hope and joy, reminding us of the true spirit of Christmas. Next time you hear the first Noel, remember the story it tells and the universal message of hope and joy it brings with it.